Welcome to another video episode on my channel. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm recording this scene of this water at Falls Creek, downtown Vancouver, and it's been recording since 17 minutes ago at 4K HD. So it's a bit warm here on my camera because it's fully exposed to the sun. So right now the temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius and this camera setup is fully exposed to the sun, and it's been recording for 17 minutes and now I can feel it's warming. Touch of the screen, see, it's warm. And now if I'm going to flip this out and touch over here, wow, I think that's more than 47 degrees, and it's still warming. So what I can do is since I'm going to do an extended recording of video, pretty much this is going to uh, heats up even more, and it might limit my video recording time. So what I've got here is a cooling fan. This is actually I just bought this from Amazon. It's from Ulanzi. So this is actually the second version of the Ulanzi. The first version has this has just a fan, but this second version, which I'm using right now, comes with this battery, so you can just plug in like this, and then as you can see, it lights up. It's ready to use. So this is cooling system. It's actually it's not that expensive. I just bought this for I think if I remember it's about 60 Canadian dollars. So the way it's being installed is you just put it like this and then press it. It will just latch by itself. See, look at that. So there's lots over here and lots at the sides. So I'm going to make sure that it's fully latched and it's not going to fall, and then I can touch this battery. Look at that. And over here there's three fan modes. So I can start using the first one. That's the first one. Second, and that's I think that's the passes this, yeah. The passes the third mode. So maybe I'll just use first mode, and yeah, I can feel it. The fan is already working. So I'm just getting to let it go for maybe 2 minutes, and we'll come back and see how it performs. Okay, it's already 2 minutes, and what you can do is I'm going to remove this fan. Going to shut it down. Remove this one first. Push it like this. I'm going to feel it like this. Wow, it's more improved. Look at that. Instead of 45 degrees, I can feel. I think this is about 28 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it works. This one works. And the good thing about this is that you can also, if you want a more extended video recording, then you can use a battery bank to power this one over here. Look at that. This is it has a USB-C, wherein you can power it with external USB bank.